Struggling with dry hair, breakage, or moisture that never lasts? Today I'm showing you how to make a DIY moringa hair butter using shea butter and moringa oil. This recipe makes 3 full jars and is perfect for natural hair, edges, and protective style. So I started off with my moringa hair oil, and if you want to see how I make this oil, the video is on my channel, but I will leave the video in the description box below and I will leave it in my card above. So now I strained out my moringa hair oil. So I would encourage you to stick around until the end of the video because you will see a clip of me applying this hair butter to my hair. Moringa oil is one of the best oils for hair growth and moisture. It's rich in vitamins A, C, and E, plus fatty acid that strengthens the hair shaft, reduce breakage, and improve length retention. When you combine moringa oil with raw shea butter, you get a powerful hair butter for dry hair and growth. So for this 3 batch of moringa hair butter, you'll need 3/4 cup of moringa oil or 180 milliliters, and you will also need 1.5 cups of raw melted shea butter or 360 grams of raw melted shea butter. You can melt your shea butter by using a double boiler method. That is, you put some water on the stove to boil and you put your shea butter in a heat safe, whether it's a jar, a measuring jar, or a bowl, and you add that in the boiling water. Or you can boil your water and take it off the stove and put your whatever it is that you're melting your shea butter in, and you just melt your shea butter. So now that I finish adding my shea butter and my oils together, I'm just giving it a quick stir, and now I'm just covering it and I'm going to put it in the fridge for 20 minutes. So this is 20 minutes later, and you can see that my butter is all ready for mixing. It is firm yet not too firm. It's just right for me to use so that I can make my butter. As you can see how easy it is to make these lines inside of it. So now I am just going to mix my hair butter, my moringa hair butter now. And when you're mixing your hair butter, I would advise you to scrape the sides of your bowl, because sometimes you're mixing your hair butter, but because your bowl is still in the cool down phase, there will still be some butters at the side of your bowl that is have not been mixed. So I would encourage you to scrape the sides of your bowl and even the bottom of your bowl. That way you can get all of your shea butter inside in order for you to mix it properly. So while I'm mixing this, let me tell you some of the benefits of moringa for our hair. Moringa promotes healthy hair growth. It's rich in vitamin A, C, and E. It improves scalp circulation, supports stronger, thicker hair growth over time. Moringa also, it's high in oleic acid and amino acid. It helps to reinforce the hair shaft, reduce breakage and shedding. It deeply moisturizes without weighing down the hair. It softens dry, coarse, or damaged hair, and it's ideal for natural hair locks and protective style. It improves length retention. It keeps hair flexible and elastic. It prevents snapping at the end. It helps hair stays moisturized longer, and it soothes dry itchy scalp. It's an anti-inflammatory, it has anti-inflammatory properties. It calms irritation and dryness, and it's great for sensitive or flaky scalp. Some of the benefits of shea butter for our hair: it helps seals moisture for long lasting hydration. It creates a protective barrier around the hair. It prevents moisture loss. It's perfect for dry and high porosity hair. It makes the hair easier to detangle. It reduces frizz and rough texture. It leaves the hair feeling buttery soft. It strengthens fragile and helps to prevent split ends. It's excellent for edges and length retention. It adds shine without a greasy buildup. It gives natural shine and glow, especially beneficial for twist outs and braid out. Shea butter is also naturally rich in vitamin A and E. It helps to relieve scalp dryness and flaking, and it's safe for kids' hair. So we're going to mix our shea butter, our hair butter until it becomes light and creamy, like the way how it's looking now. And this butter, it's perfect for natural hair, relax hair, locks, and protective styles. To use this hair butter, we apply a small amount to damp hair to seal in moisture. We focus on your ends and edges or use it for twist outs, braid outs, and protective scalp. You can also massage a small amount into your scalp to support healthy growth. A little of this butter goes a long way. With any hair butter, a little goes a long way. Always start with a small amount and build up if needed. Store this butter in a cool, dry place to maintain its texture and avoid getting any water inside of it when you're using it in your hair. Now that my butter is done mixing, I am going to be putting it in the containers that I'll be keeping my butters in, and you'll also notice that I'll be using a red container. That is because this butter can also, it's safe to use on your skin and on your children's skin, so I'll be putting some of the butter inside of that different color container because I'll be using it on my skin and my children's skin. So me and my girls, we are on a 6 months hair growth challenge. So if you want to join us on this journey, I'm uploading videos every week. Every Friday or Saturday, I'll be uploading a different video of ways that you can use Ayurvedic hair products and DIYs for your hair to help you with length. And we're going to be using protective styles because the more you leave your hair alone, the more your hair grows and the more your hair retain its length. But while you're in your protective styles, you have to remember to moisturize your hair and to clean your scalp, because we all know that a clean scalp is a healthy scalp, and we always want to keep our scalp clean. So if you love DIY natural hair care and hair growth recipes, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and comment Moringa in the comment section if you enjoy watching this video. Let me know your hair type and how you plan to use it, ends, edges, or scalp. So thank you so much for watching, for commenting, for liking, for sharing this video, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you for all that you're doing, for coming along with me on this journey. Thank you so much. And you can see the way how I'm applying this moringa hair butter to my hair. I'm just putting in a little, I'm using a little bit of it at a time because, as I said, a little bit goes a long way. And I am just carrying it all the way from the roots all the way down to the end of my hair. And I know that my face and my hands are looking a little bit red, and that's because I sprayed my hair with my winter serum. If you haven't watched that videos yet, I would encourage you to watch it. I will link the video in the description box below, and I will also leave it above here. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video, and let me say thank you once again for watching, for liking, for commenting, for subscribing. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you in the next one.